we're launching a brand new free tool, and I think you're going to love it. It's called Blueprint AI, and what it does is it transforms any initiative into an entire execution plan in just a few clicks. Let me tell you how it works. First, you start by entering a simple goal. Something like, we want to generate 100 employee referrals for our open sales recs in the next 30 days. And that's all it needs. Blueprint AI instantly maps out your game plan from setup to launch to follow-up. And it gives you clear steps so you can always know what's next. Then it builds a comm strategy for you, who the message is for, who should send it, and what channel to use, alongside when to send it. It even suggests all the content you'll need, including frequently asked questions, one-pagers, training videos, and even visual assets like posters and banners. And one of the best parts is it layers in expert-backed guidance, so you can get benchmarks, messaging tips, and data to help you show impact and get buy-in. If you're already using ChangeEngine, you can go a step further and instantly generate all the content perfectly on brand using AI templates and launch it across email, Slack, Teams, or SMS with full tracking. So, Blueprint AI helps you go from just an idea to something that you can create, measure, and execute on all of your initiatives really fast. It's really easy to try. If you'd like to go to changeengine.com/blueprint, give it a spin, and you'll see your execution plan come together before your eyes. We'd love to hear what you think.